Imagine a dairy farm where robots handle the heavy lifting. These machines milk cows with precision, ensuring each one gets the right care. They monitor health and even feed the cows, optimizing their diets for better milk production. With automated systems, farmers can focus on improving quality rather than just quantity. Plus, these robots work around the clock, reducing stress on both cows and farmers. It's a win-win: more efficient farming and happier animals. The future of dairy is here, and it's powered by robotics.